title. Here's come easy mod you can do that might dress up your engine bay, just something really quick and easy. Is a fleece oil cap. It's anodized blue. It's actually pretty sweet. It comes actually with the O-ring. I was thinking about doing this with the PPE one. PPE one is a little cheaper, but it only came in just it's not stainless, but it's the silver. I can't remember what it's called now. Like not billet. I don't remember. Well, anyways, this is just the same thing, but it's blue and it's gonna look sweet because that's where I'm gonna start going with. I'm gonna do like white, black, and blue. Rid of this cap. There's an old one, just boring and plain. And we'll put this one on. Perfect. That is sweet. Actually, it just adds a little bit. I want to do the YC Fab one of the brake fluid container thing covers, and I want to do the coolant tank too, from HSP obviously, but that's because HSP doesn't make that. So you know, Joe from HSP, get on that. You should make one. That'd be sweet. There she is. She looks clean and good. And it kind of almost matches my transmission mount thing, brace, kind of a little bit. Yeah, it's close enough. But yeah, get you one. I might try to put a link down below to grab it, and we'll be good.